Today we're going inside a modern American factory to see how millions of toothbrushes are made. The process begins with high-quality plastic materials used to create durable toothbrush handles.
The plastic is heated and melted before being shaped into toothbrush handles.
Advanced molding machines create thousands of toothbrush handles every hour. After molding, the handles are cooled to maintain their strength and shape. Each handle is carefully trimmed and finished for a smooth appearance. Next, special nylon fibers are prepared to become the toothbrush bristles. The fibers are cut to exact lengths for maximum cleaning performance. The bristles are securely anchored to ensure long-lasting use. The bristles are shaped for comfort and effective cleaning.
High-speed packaging lines prepare the toothbrushes for stores. Millions of toothbrushes are shipped across the country every year.
And that's how toothbrushes are made in America, from raw plastic to a product used every day. The bristles are shaped for comfort and effective cleaning. Every toothbrush undergoes strict quality control inspections. The products are cleaned and sanitized before packaging. Automated equipment inserts hundreds of bristles into each toothbrush.